it depends on your overall strategy for where you want to take your business. So if you have called your registered company name something specific to a particular product, then I see no problem at all with using that, and that becomes your brand name and your product name on Amazon. However, that is fairly limiting as a strategy, and so what I would suggest instead is that you have more of a generic what we would think of as a seller name on Amazon, and then you use specific product names that you create and invent and private label and own as your product names on Amazon. Let me show you what I mean when I say that. Let's just go across to Amazon. All right. So when you are setting up your product, it's very important to think of your customer and to think of also the way that the distribution channel that you're going to use works. So in this case, the distribution channel, the way we get our products to market, is Amazon. So you have to take into consideration the way that Amazon works. eBay, for everybody that says it's the same, it ain't. It works in a different way. Jet, Walmart, all of that, your own website, they all operate with subtle differences, okay? So Amazon is unique in the way that it does things. So we need to take into consideration some things. And let me show you what I mean when I say that. So now let's suppose we're putting together a product for ourselves, and we're going to sell. Somebody give me a product. Somebody give me a product. Frank, yep, that's absolutely a-okay. Shampoo for cats, says Anthony. All right, let's go with that. Shampoo for cats. There you go. So shampoo for cats, all right? Now, I am now no longer a seller selling shampoo for cats. Now I am a searcher searching for some shampoo for my lovely cat. So I come to Amazon and I type in what I want, and the first thing I see is some ridiculous people who've got no idea at all how to do PPC, because I see adverts here for people trying to sell me dog treats when I'm looking for cat shampoo. So dumb. They clearly have not done my PPC training program at all. But what I'm looking for is cat shampoo, and that's the only thing I want to buy, cat shampoo. So I'm looking now at the thing that tells me, is this for cats? So the first thing I look at is the image, the hero image. If that flags to me that this product is cat shampoo, wicked, that's awesome. So I'll check that first. Second thing I check, title. If that flags to me that this is cat shampoo, wicked, that's awesome. 2 ticks for this product, or not this one, unfortunately. Next thing I go look at is the price. If it's a price I can bear, I'm happy. Then I look at the reviews. If the reviews are reasonable, then I'm happy. Anything over 30 is awesome according to Amazon. And I can explain why that another time. All right, but I'm looking for cat shampoo. So what needs to happen now is that label, this image, needs to tell me this is all about cat shampoo. But this one tells me it's natural oatmeal shampoo. So I'm like, bah, fail, doesn't work for me. So I don't want to buy that. This Burt's Bees, well, that's got a cat on it. So that's a little better. Burt's Bees for cats, hypoallergic shampoo. Well, that's pretty good. I like that quite a lot. I might take a look at that. This Vet's Best, well, it does have a cat on it, but because it's so small, I can't actually see it. Ditto that. It's got a tiny little cat on it. That's cat and dog. Well, I've just got a cat. I don't have a dog. That's got a cat, etc., etc. So for me, the perfect thing to do here is to have it very, very big, cat shampoo on that label. So I can see it and it stands out like dog's balls. That's a technical term. And then to have here cat shampoo and to see it, and that's what it's all about. So if I was in that niche, that's what I'd be doing. So Frank, To bring this all back to you, yes, you can have a very, very specific business name, and yes, you can name your products after your very specific business name. It's better, however, to have a generic business name, generic seller name, and then to make your products hyper targeted. And what I now do, and what I suggest you now do, is to take your product and make it super specific for a super specific search term on Amazon. So I just go after shampoo for cats, and that's all I give a rat's ass about going after. I don't try and get shampoo for dogs. I don't try and get shampoo for pets. I'm laser focused on shampoo for cats. That's what my entire product and marketing and product page and images and title and everything is built around shampoo for cats. That's, I think, the way to beat the Amazon competitors who are not doing that, who are trying to sell pet shampoo. Well, if I've got a cat and I love my cat, and most owners do love their cats, then I only want a shampoo that's specific for my pet, even down to I want a shampoo that's specific for my Siamese cat or my ginger tom cat, even down to that. That is the best strategy, I believe. Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie Online Entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.